Good morning, all. How are you guys doing? This is Heart Challenge Day 2. Yesterday was actually great, but I don't know how is it gonna be today. So once I got up, I did the first thing, which is cleaning up my room. Later, I just thought I'll go out and see the view. It was so damn beautiful, guys, because clouds are so nice. These days, every day it was raining. After a long time, today is the first day I saw sun. So then, as usual, I had this hot water with all the seeds which was grinded and made powder. It is really healthy is what my mom says, but let's see how is it gonna work for my weight loss program. Like every time, it's really disgusting. After that, I did little bit of workout. I didn't show you guys, it doesn't mean I didn't do. Trust me, I did. And then I took shower, got ready, and then I thought I'll have something. So I've seen one video wherein you can smell chocolate and have healthy food. So I bought one chocolate. I am gonna use this chocolate for very long time, until if possible 75 days. I'm not gonna eat it. I'm just gonna smell it and eat the fruits. So let's see how is it gonna be. Get ready for the healthier challenge I'm taking up. This is the hard challenge, and of course it is really hard to keep chocolate in hand and have fruit. Yeah, I smelled it and I had it. Again I smelled it and I had it. Then I realized, what the hell am I doing? I was doing the other way around. So that's okay. I'm gonna cut off the sugar and everything else. Then started to read Road to Success. I don't know how far I have reached the road to success, but definitely one day I'll reach the road of success. And I don't know whether I'll be able to get million views in my videos, any of my videos, but I definitely have this thought and belief that this video will definitely, you know, reach a million views. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day, definitely. I'm damn sure about it. So that is the road to success. First stage of road to success is being confident. Like every other day, after reading books, we are going to the part wherein I will read out the song I have written. Please let me know in the comments if you like it. Baby, I saw you on the streets first time. Never thought how beautiful your eyes would shine. Believe me, baby, I don't have a dime, but I will make sure that you'll be mine. Girl, does he have a height like tree? Will you hold long enough? All them free. Girl, what gives you the guarantee? Can you fight for your problems like Bruce Lee? So, how is the song, guys? Did you like it? If you like, say yes in the comments. If you didn't, say no in the comments. This is one of the favorite place of mine wherein you can see the whole Bangalore. But today view was spectacular. I loved it. Actually, in the background, it was really raining. It seems like it's not. Actually, it looks stagnant, but that is how it looks if it's raining somewhere far. It's so beautiful. I just, wanted to stay there and enjoy the view, have a cup of coffee, but I decided not to because this is a hard challenge day 2. So after that I thought I'll go out room because it's been a very very long time that I went out. This is the place nearby. It's a quite happening place all the time, even in the weekends. This place will always be filled with people. So I thought I'll go there. This is Arogya Cave, one of the good place to have coffee, but I never liked dosa here because it will be filled with oil. I feel like dosa just took shower in the oil and came out. So I decided not to have dosa there any time in my life. So I just like coffee and tea there. I left tea recently. I decided not to have tea and not to have chicken because my mom asked me to. So I thought I'll have coffee. I know I'm cheating on the second day itself, but I don't know why I couldn't control. So I decided to have sugarless coffee and I added little bit of jaggery. Trust me, it was very little, but it is yummy. And I totally forgot to give food to my Nemo today, so I regret it. After having everything, I came back to him. He seemed to be angry, but somehow I gave him food and convinced him, played with him for a while so that he'll not forget me, of course. So I never thought I would forget Nemo, but thank God I remember now. So in a day, once I have to give food to him. So most of the times I try to give twice, little little, so that he will also maintain his physique and look good. In the evening also, weather was looking so beautiful. I really enjoyed. Baby, I saw you on the streets first time. Never thought of beautiful your eyes would shine. Believe me, baby, I don't have a dime, but I will make sure that you'll be mine. Will you hold long enough or live free? Go, what gives you the guarantee? Can you fight for your problems like Bruce Lee? So for dinner, I thought I'll have juice. So I came to the nearby juice shop and asked for one juice without sugar. Of course, I know I had chocolate, so I'm regretting it. Please don't curse me. Yeah, this is the second day of my heart challenge, but I'll definitely make sure I'll not do that mistake again. And this is so tasteless. Pineapple juice is so tasteless without sugar, but still I thought, okay, I have to have it because I already had coffee with jaggery and also chocolate today. So it's time to hit the sack. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching so far. Toodles.